Welcome, fellow Disney enthusiasts, to our enchanted nail art tutorial. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Disney princesses, where every stroke of polish brings a touch of magic to your fingertips. Get ready to unleash your inner princess as we guide you through creating stunning, Disney-inspired nail art fit for royalty. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our enchanting tutorials. Step 1. Gather your supplies. Host, first things first, let's gather our magical supplies. You'll need base coat, a selection of vibrant nail polish colors, nail art brushes or toothpicks, nail polish remover, and, of course, your imagination. Step 2. Prep your nails. Host. Now, let's prepare our canvas for creation. Start by applying a clear base coat to protect your nails and ensure your princess designs last longer. Once dry, it's time to choose your princess and nail colors. Will you channel Ariel with sea green hues or opt for Belle's golden elegance? The choice is yours. Step 3. Let the magic begin. Host. With your chosen colors at the ready, it's time to let the magic flow. Using your nail art brushes or toothpicks, carefully recreate iconic Disney princess motifs on each nail. From Cinderella's sparkling glass slippers to Snow White's iconic red bow, the possibilities are endless. Step 4. Add the finishing touches. Host. Once your princess designs are complete, it's time to add the finishing touches. Seal in your masterpiece with a clear top coat to protect the artwork and give your nails a glossy finish worthy of a royal ball. Step 5. Show off your royalty. Host, and there you have it. DIY Disney princess nail art fit for a queen. Whether you're off to a magical adventure at Disneyland or simply want to add a touch of Disney magic to your day, these nails are sure to make a statement. Don't forget to snap a photo and share your royal creations with us. On comments below, like and subscribe for more videos. We can't wait to see your magical masterpieces. Conclusion: thank you for joining us on this enchanted journey through Disney princess nail art. We hope you've been inspired to unleash your creativity and add a sprinkle of magic to your manicures. Remember, with a little imagination and the right colors, every day can be a fairy tale. Stay tuned for more magical tutorials, and until next time, may your nails be as enchanting as your dreams. Bye for now.